Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the print area in Excel. Let's get started. To print specific cells of an Excel spreadsheet, start by highlighting the desired area. Then head over to the Page Layout tab. Click on Print Area and select the option Set Print Area. Now for a closer look, navigate to the View tab up here and click on Page Break Preview. You'll see how the selected area is distributed across pages. Suppose the arrangement isn't convenient enough, we can change that. Let's say we want to include June figures on page 1. Easy. Drag and drop the blue line to move June's data to the first page. All dividing lines can be adjusted similarly. You can also modify the page orientation. Visit the page layout and set the orientation to portrait or landscape based on your preference. We'll go with landscape. Now if we go to File at the top and click on Print, the print preview looks just as we want it. Let's explore more tricks such as adding cells to the selected print area. Click on the arrow in the top left corner. Switch to the normal view via the button at the bottom right. To add cells, remember that the last row of the current print area is 24. To expand, add rows 25, 26, and so on, next to the last row. Select rows 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Go to Page Layout, click on Print Area, and choose Add to Print Area. Done! Returning to File and clicking Print reveals the expanded print area. But wait, there's more! For better readability, sometimes you might need certain rows or columns to repeat. For example, the column with the names. It's included on page 1 but not on page 2, which can make data reading a little bit complicated. To solve this problem, go back to the data table. Click Page Layout and select Print Titles. Specify rows to repeat at top or columns to repeat at left. We'll repeat the column with names, so we'll click the second option. Select Column A and confirm the choice with OK. And that's all it takes. Now in the print preview, the column with name shows on both pages, facilitating data reading. Once everything is set, hit Print to print out the specific part of the data table you need. A quick note, if you save the workbook, the set print area is saved too. To clear it, click on the arrow in the top left corner. Go to Page Layout. Click on Print Area and select Clear Print Area. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.